I'm on a mission to replace my two current pens. I'm looking for a forever pen, something to replace the Parker Jotter that I use for work and the Kaweco Sport that I use at home. So I'm looking for something that's substantial, that is nice to write with, and that I can maybe use for journaling. I've shown a few of these and this one just arrived. So I bought this a couple of days ago. It arrived really quickly. It's a Namisu Ixion Pocket. It comes nicely boxed. I really like all this sort of stuff. There's a nice card inside. And then we get to the pen itself. Now I chose the aluminium one because this was on special offer. So it was a bargain price, and I'll put the details in the description. And I really like this. This is the fine. It comes with a Bock nib and it's a great size. Now it also came with a cartridge, which is always good. And I usually have black ones, but it's nice to try out something different. And I think this takes the same cartridges as the Kaweco. So let's pop it in and give it a try. And you can see it's super short. When I do the proper comparison, I'll go through the weight and the size, but so this is tiny, but with the lid on, it's a decent size. Let's see how it writes. Yeah, it writes really nicely. Should we get a slightly better close-up of this? So a nice nib, a nice full-size nib actually. So despite it being a pocket pen, it's a great little size. So this is the Namisu Ixion. Let me know what you think in the comments. Have you got one of these? What do you think of it? I quite like it. It's a little bit different. It's similar to the Kaweco, but I love this red aluminium. It's something I'm not going to lose. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you check out, I've got this video on the Tom Studio pen or this playlist on pens in general. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.